Vonigo doesn't show a public fixed price because the cost is customized based on business size, number of users, and which field service management tools a company needs. By the end, you'll understand how Vonigo pricing works, what actually affects the cost, and whether it's worth it for service businesses compared to other scheduling and dispatch platforms. Vonigo is a field service and franchise management platform used to handle scheduling, dispatching, customer management, invoicing, and workflow automation in one system. Instead of a flat subscription, pricing is tailored to each business setup. Now explain plan structure. Vonigo uses a modular pricing model where businesses typically pay based on the features they activate and how their operations are structured. Lower setups usually focus on core scheduling and customer management, while more advanced setups include automation, reporting, and multi-location franchise management. Now explain what affects pricing. The biggest factor is feature scope. Because Vonigo is built to scale from small service teams to large franchise operations. The second factor is user count, because more dispatchers, technicians, and office staff increase the total cost. Now explain what you are actually paying for. You're paying for an all-in-one field service system that replaces separate tools like scheduling software, dispatch systems, CRM tools, invoicing apps, and franchise management platforms. That matters because companies often compare Vonigo to the combined cost of multiple systems instead of one platform. Now explain who uses it. Vonigo is mainly used by service businesses and franchises, like cleaning companies, restoration services, moving companies, and other field operations that manage multiple teams or locations. Now explain why pricing feels unclear. Pricing feels unclear because there is no standard public pricing page, and every business gets a custom quote based on how the system is configured. Now explain common misunderstanding. A common misunderstanding is expecting Vonigo to have a fixed monthly fee, when in reality the cost is based on both features and operational complexity. Now explain decision logic. The real way to evaluate Vonigo pricing is to compare how many separate tools it replaces in your workflow, instead of trying to find a single number online. Now explain limitation. A limitation is that smaller service businesses may not need the full franchise-level workflow tools, which can make the platform feel expensive compared to simpler scheduling apps. Now simplify it. Vonigo pricing is based on business structure, not a one-size subscription that fits every service company. Here's the simple breakdown. Smaller teams usually only need scheduling and customer management, while larger franchises benefit more because they can manage multiple locations, dispatching, and workflows in one system. Do this next. List your current tools for scheduling, dispatching, customer management, invoicing, and workflow tracking. Then compare them to what Vonigo replaces in one platform. If Vonigo replaces multiple systems, the cost becomes easier to justify. If it only replaces one or two tools, a simpler field service platform may be the better fit.